Hey all, Murdoch here, going through the process of winterizing Antares. Just give you a quick look at what I'm down in here, my engine bay. First off, we cut the water off through the through hull. And back over here, we empty out the raw water strainer, get it dry, and then ease on around over this end. And I always like to pull the aft cap off my heat exchanger and get that completely drained. A few years ago I didn't do that and my heater quit running and it froze and busted out this cap here, and I had to take it to my good machinist buddy Donnie to get it straightened out. But that's not all we have to do. Next most important things is to put antifreeze in the heads. And it's not antifreeze, it's RV marine preservative. Basically it's this pink stuff that you pour down in there. I've got it pretty dry already, but I always pump a little bit through, and then down in there some more through hulls, and even more through hulls, and get those all closed up nice so that we don't have any issues. And lastly, come back to the captain quarters and do the same thing. Through hulls, and pink stuff in the toilet. But that's pretty much what we do to winterize your sailboat. And hopefully this spring we'll start getting some good restoration videos going. So till next time, signing off. Hopefully y'all have a good holiday season and take care. See you once we get some warmer weather going.